Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Viva, and today we're gonna get into these Jaded Goddess Braids. So first we're gonna part our hair, and I do have two other videos that go more into detail on how to use this three-way mirror and how to really part your hair as someone who's a beginner, easy ways to do it. So if you want to check those videos out, they are on my channel. I'll either have them in the description or up at the top in the cards. But I'm gonna go ahead and part out my hair using my three-way mirror, which I got from Amazon, and I'll have it linked down below. But I ended up using jam because that's all I had at the time, and I did not like that. It was pretty much like grease, so I ended up having to go back and do my hair all over again as far as the roots and stuff. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and stagger my parts. So for the first row I did 4, and then the row above that, which I'm showing you now, I stagger it so the part is in the middle of the braid below it. So I like to pre-part my entire head before I start putting in twist braids or anything like that. So this is how it looks, and I didn't really like my parts but hey, it's gonna have to do. I'm trying not to be a perfectionist anymore these days because it's stressful. But yeah, let's go and get into installing the hair. So I'm using this pre-stretched 30-inch hair from Amazon. I think it was 7 or 8 packs for $17. Of course, I'll have all of this linked down below in the description. But I am someone who does not know how to feed in braids and stuff like that, so I like to crochet it in. So this is a easy method for people who kind of struggle with inserting braids and stuff. So basically what I do is take my crochet hook, I slide it underneath the middle of my braid, and then I go ahead and insert the braiding hair on it, close the hook, slide it through, and then go ahead and take the hook away. Go ahead and put your one side of the hair in between the loop, and then you're gonna go ahead and pull it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Just For Me grip glaze, and this is what's gonna help smooth out my hair so that it blends with the braid seamlessly. So then once I'm done with that, I take the left side of the braid and I part it just a little bit to take a little bit of hair to blend with the middle braid. And then I do the same exact thing on the right side of the hair. So take a little bit and give it to the middle braid. So this will go ahead and create 3 even sections so that I can go ahead and start braiding. So then once I braid down a little bit, I go ahead and take a rubber band, and then I go ahead and just tie it around. You can just do this as many times as you feel like you need, because if you want to do bigger braids or smaller braids, it'll that'll determine how many times you tie your rubber band. But yeah, once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and move down maybe an inch or 2, and then add another rubber band. So this is what's gonna create the bubble braid look. So I was actually inspired by bubble braids when I started doing this style, and then I posted a video on TikTok and found out that the style is actually called Jaded Braids. And make sure you pull it out as well so that it makes a really cute full bubble. Then go ahead and slide down another inch or 2, and then add another rubber band. And for this, you guys, you can get creative if you want to do 1 bubble, 2 bubbles, 3, 5, how many ever you want to do. This is where you can have fun and get creative, but always make sure you pull your bubbles again so they are nice and full and cute. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and braid down a little bit more. And then go ahead and add another set of bubbles. So grab your rubber band, do the same exact thing you just did, tie your rubber band on there, and then slide down about 1 inch or 2, add another rubber band. So this is how the first 3 rows are looking. I basically did the first bottom row. I put one on the left side, skipped a braid, and then did another one. And then the row above that, I didn't put any bubbles on it. It was just regular. And then above that, I did the same thing. I staggered it. So I put one on the first one and then skipped and kept going like that. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how I do my edges. So I like using the gummy gel. I swear by that. That works really, really good for my edges. It holds it all day and it doesn't turn white. So that's on Amazon as well. I'll have it down below, of course. But for this part right here, so I basically swoop it in the beginning like how I did the first swoop. But then right here is where I start to swoop it like backwards, so the opposite direction. So think of like a 8, like the number 8. So I started swooping it the opposite direction and holding it in place with one finger so it doesn't like move while I'm trying to like curve that little round part to end it off. Another thing I want to mention is that these are my like natural edges, meaning like I didn't perm them at this point. So I did later go back and actually relax my edges, because it's something I have been thinking about doing for a while now, especially when I have like braids and go on vacation and stuff. I'm not advocating for you guys to do the same thing, but I just wanted to explain like when you see the final results, that's why they're gonna look a little more, I guess, laid or different and straighter, because I did go back and relax just my edges. So this part also I realized like I took out too much hair. So also just a tip, I would recommend doing your baby edges before you like braid the front row, so you don't have to go back and redo it. But this is how the hair looks without any goddess hair or jewels. Then I got these really cute jewels off of Amazon. So I basically put this one here, and the way you can slide it on is by using the back of like your rat tail comb and just like kind of push it through and then pull it through and go and slide it to where you want. Now what I recommend doing is making sure you like put some extra rubber bands so it stays in place, because they do slide off because my braids are like smaller. So that's that. And then for this little cute charm, this is actually adjustable, the little clasp, I guess. So you just literally like squeeze it on and it'll be secure as long as you squeeze it nice and tight. So yeah, I love that piece. It is so unique and cute. And now we're gonna curl my ends. So I'm using like these little, I guess, flexi rod things. I'll have those linked below as well. And I just wrap it around and then fold it over, and then I boil some water in my kettle and then put it in a cup, and then I just go and start dipping it because it's much easier. And this is like a cup I use specifically for like curling my ends and stuff. But yeah, I do that, and then I leave it in for about like 10 seconds, not too long, and then it will curl it. So yeah, that is so cute. I love the look of curled ends on like braids and twists and stuff. And so that is how it looks once I have it curled. I have the bubbles in, I have some of the jewels in. Like, it is so cute. It's also very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about this being very heavy. So this is what it looks like down with the middle part. And I got a lot of questions on Instagram and TikTok asking where I got this really cute two-piece outfit from. So I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below in the description. I believe I'm wearing a size small. And this is what it would look like if you were to do like a cute little low ponytail. And this is how it looks with it up in a high ponytail with 2 pieces in the front. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks with goddess hair. So I do the same thing with crocheting. So I just go ahead and crochet through the middle of the braid, put the synthetic goddess hair in. And this is synthetic deep wave hair, also from Amazon. I just love ordering all my stuff from Amazon because I don't have a hair store close to me. So it's just much more convenient for me to do it that way. And so yeah, I just go ahead and loop it through. Go ahead and pull it, and then what you can also do is spray the like where you just tied the knot at, spray it with like some holding spray so it actually does stay and doesn't like unravel. But yeah, this will definitely help your hair to look a lot more full, which I love. Like, I can't go without my goddess hair. I need my goddess hair. It's just so cute. But the only thing with the goddess hair is like it definitely tangles up after a while, especially if you use synthetic hair. I didn't plan to leave this style in for long, but if you want the style to last a little bit longer and you don't mind paying extra, then I would recommend using human hair. So I'm just going to show you guys a few different ways that you can wear this hair. So you can definitely do the high ponytail. This is actually my favorite style to wear this in. So yeah, you could do the high ponytail. You can also pull some hair down in the back and do a cute half up, half down look. And then you can also wrap around your ponytail at the top and then do a cute little bun, and that's always an adorable look. And you can also leave out some of the curly pieces. I just I wasn't even trying to do that. I thought it was cute, so I just kind of like left that out. You can actually make it look better than this also. I just wanted to kind of give you guys some quick inspo. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I hope to see you in my next video.